I'm stuffed in this little dress. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kheumani, and today starts day 1 of my 25 days of sewing. So just to give you a quick brief intro, I am doing 25 straight sewing tutorials for the month of December up until Christmas. So Monday through Saturday, all of those tutorials will be posted on my YouTube channel, and then on Sundays, to those who would like to subscribe and who are already subscribed, I will be posting my Sunday tutorials on my OnlyFans. I do give extra help. If you have any extra questions, I know sometimes it could be kind of hard to get in contact with me. It's just because it's a lot going on. I'm over there and, you know, doing my thing. So if you did want to subscribe to my sewing OnlyFans, all of that information will be in the description box down below. Now let's hop right into the video. So as you can see, we're starting off with this super small dress. I got this from Walmart, and I've always wanted to make this super cute trendy top, and it's really easy. So let's start off, you want to take a piece of paper and you want to draw out a triangular piece. Make sure that the bottom part, the widest part of the triangle that's going to be at the bottom, is the same width as one of your boobs. And this is just so you make sure it's gonna cover you up, you know what I'm saying? And this is the shape that it's going to be, and you do want to keep the top part wide because I want to show you how to cut it so that you can wrap it around. So I'm using this kids dress that I did get from Walmart, and I'm just going to disassemble it. So I'm just going to cut the top from the skirt. This project actually would be easier if you use, you know, regular fabric, but you know I like to make stuff hard for myself. So once I did that, I cut the skirt again just to make it one flat piece. Next, you want to take the triangular piece that we just cut and begin to cut this shape from the fabric. Instead of me cutting the top part of the triangle piece, I'm going to just fully extend it, and this is just so we can have an extra room and extra fabric to wrap around our body and give you that wraparound effect. So just extend it as far as you like. The longer you make it, the more fabric you're going to be able to use to obviously wrap it around. But if you are making it from something else and it doesn't go that far, or your ends or your tails are not that long, I'll show you how to extend it. So this is as far as I could get mine, and I am going to extend it. So right after I did the one triangular piece, I'm going to cut another one. So you need two altogether. Now that I have my two triangular pieces cut out, we are going to just make two rectangular pieces to go to the top, just to extend the tails to make them a little bit longer. And I'll show you right here what I'm talking about. So I cut these pieces, and this is going to go on the ends of our shirt, just so that it can be a little bit longer. Of course, if you have regular fabric, you can just cut it longer and don't even have to do that part. And then here was an extra strip of fabric for our string that we're going to need. And to ensure that this is long enough, you want to measure around your chest and add 5 inches just to make sure, 5 inches or more, just to make sure it's going to be long enough and enough fabric for you to tie. Today's machine, I am going to be using a Singer Start, and the only stitch that I'm going to be using is the straight stitch. And if you have this machine, it's the widest one, but I would recommend doing the one with the stitches more close together. So you want to take one of your triangular pieces and the rectangle piece that we cut, and you want to attach it right here. Now again, you are going to be skipping this step if you already cut your pieces long enough. And here's just me stitching those two together. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for the other triangular piece. The next step is you're just going to want to hem both raw edges of this fabric, and this is easy. You just want to fold over the edge of the fabric and do a line of stitches down. Once that is complete, you want to do the exact same thing to the bottom of the triangle, and this is going to be where our string is going to go. So flip it down like that and just sew it down with a straight stitch. After that's complete, we're going to make our string, which is very easy. You want to make sure the fabric that you want to be on the outside of the string is folded on the inside when you are folding this piece of fabric in half. And then you do want to just take a straight stitch and sew it straight down the edge of the fabric. I'm grazing over how to do the string because I've shown you how to make it in a lot of my videos, but if you want a dedicated video on how I make my strings, please comment it down below. But once I'm done sewing up the edge of the string, you can either use a safety pin or a loop turner to turn it on the right side. And after that is complete, this is how the edge of the fabric is gonna look. And now it's time for us to just thread the string in there, and I'm gonna just use the safety pin. Once all of that is complete, you can just lace up your top however you'd like.
Like I said, the longer you make the straps, the longer and the more you can do with the actual shirt. It's really cute, really trendy. I see a lot of the boutiques selling this, and it's super easy to make. So I would love to see your projects if you do try it. Thank you for coming on to my first sewing video of the month of December, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, if you do want to check out my sewing OnlyFans, it is going to be linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.